Why nobody is? You are not understanding After Effects or what? So you are having any problem or what?
సార్ సిస్టమ్ లేదు సార్ నా దగ్గర.
What about others? Bharat and say Tejaswini and who is that other guy? Prashant.
హలో
Yeah. Tell me what?
సార్ సిస్టమ్ లేదు సార్ నా దగ్గర.
Your Prashant,
ఎస్ సార్.
and Vishwanath also not having system. Vishwanath and
Sir,
Prashant.
I have a system, but
Then why you are not doing then? You are not able to understand or what? What is the problem? If you tell me the problem, then I will try to find a solution here.
yesterday class only, sir.
Previous class you have done, huh?
Previous class I have done, sir. I will send you notes.
Then you have to send me now. Then. And what about Bharat?
Sir, evening I will show, sir.
You have to show here. See, After Effects is very important. See, I think all of you are C plus students, right? C plus, right? C plus.
No, sir.
What is your course? ADBFX.
83 HGPS.
And what about others? Tejaswini and
సార్ సిఏ ప్లస్ మాయా.
and Vishwanath. Yours?
ADIDC, sir.
See, all of you are in After Effects. Means all of you are in compositing course. Most of you. So you should be very serious. After Effects is very important software. You cannot ignore this After Effects. I am telling you. So all of you have to do assignments because this is the software that is going to give you jobs. Able to understand? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
This is the software which is going to give you jobs, so you don't take it lightly. So try to complete the assignments and show me by next class. Okay, I'm trying to record this software today, record the class today. See, I will just give you a recap of what we have done last class. Okay, see, anybody whoever has not understood just what we have done last class, I'm just showing you. Okay, we'll keep Arial on, Arial black. Okay, right. So now you see what we have done last class. Actually, see, we have just right click, create. See, this is the text. I told you with text, and another thing is with the shape. Okay, one example I told you with text, another example I told you with shape. Okay, so right now I am showing you with text. So simply right click, create, and then what you have to do, create mask from text. Okay, are you able to understand, everyone? Able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then what you have done next? We have right click and go to effect, and we have clicked on generate, and then what is the next thing we have done? Stroke. Okay, generate and stroke, and then what is the next thing we have done? On transparent. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Okay, on transparent, and we have increased the brush size. See, we have increased the brush size, and then what else we have done? See, able to understand, everyone? We have animated this end one, and then I will go to the 4th second, and then what is the thing I will do? So I will just simply animate it. So if you animate it, see, is it clear? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So this is the thing I have done, and then to apply effect to this, what I have done. So to apply effect and everything else, see what I have done is, I will just take a red color here. See, I have right legs, again I have right leg on it, and then I have applied what, which one? I have applied the generate, and see what is that? Light burst. Remember light burst? So you can actually increase the ray length here. Okay, getting my point? See here. So something like this. Okay, and then we can we'll just double click on letter U. Okay, and then here you come to till here, and we will make the ray length 0. Okay, and then again we will increase it. Okay, and then we'll make it 0 again. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
See, then if you see the overall animation, see, so this is the overall animation that we got. Okay, so this we have done with what? We have done with text. And you can also see, you can also wait a minute. See here, transparent is there. You can also use the original image. See original image. So it looks something like this. Okay. Okay, and you can also use on reveal original image. See, you can also use that reveal original image. So a lot of combinations you can do. Is it clear, all of you? And one more thing, what else you can do? See, you can actually, in case you want to apply another effect, what is that another effect that we can apply? That was Vegas. I think all of you know that, no? Vegas. So you can just simply type Vegas here, and then you can simply drag it like this. See, can you see the change? See, you can see some yellow coloring. Can you see that? Can you see that yellow coloring? See here.
Yes, sir.
So that yellow coloring you can say, and then see, you reduce the segments here. In Vegas, the segment should be 4. Okay, and then if you don't want the yellow color, if you want, say, let us say blue color, see, you can keep a blue color here. Okay, see, can you see the blue color? Or if you want dark bluish color, see, so there is a dark bluish color. Can you see that? Okay. You can also change the segments here, or you will keep it and see, you can also change the length. Okay, and what else we can do? See, we can increase the width here. See, can you see the change? See, I am increasing the width. Is it clear, all of you? I am increasing the width here, and you can also increase the hardness. See, able to understand, everyone? And you can also see, you can also do what you can do. You can also animate the rotation here. You can animate the rotation. See, why I am telling you this is, see, you can create some nice interesting things. Able to understand, everyone? Okay. See, now we are trying to animate it, so it's taking time, lot of time. See here. Can you see that? Able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, you can also apply another one. What is that? Glow. See, I can apply a glow here. So simply apply a glow so that it will be more interesting here. See, can you see the glow? So you can actually reduce the threshold value. So you can increase the radius. See, can you see that? See now.
Yes, sir.
See, and then you can actually give some extra coloring. See. So you have to try all these things. Growth threshold. See here. So see here. See here. Okay. So it is going to take some time. See, I have put the value to what? 3rd here. You can see the green line here. Can you see the green line?
Yes, sir.
So that green line indicates that it is a loading line here. Okay. So like this you can create, and you want more interesting things, so you can apply a gradient ramp to this. Okay, gradient ramp. There is something called gradient ramp. See, so what is a gradient ramp actually? So means you can create some kind of a gradient effect. Okay, you can create 2 colors. See, now it is, you are having a gradient. Okay, is it clear? And if you want a radial gradient also, you can give radial gradient. Okay, see here. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So you can try, and you can actually change the order, layer ordering also here. See, I can keep it above everything here. You can change the above Vegas, above light burst. See, so different changes we can get. So you can experiment with this, right? Okay. See, I can change it like this. Right. So I think I have covered this in the last class. I want all of you to create one thing and show me example. And last class we have also done one more thing, that is we have imported a shape from Photoshop and we have placed it in After Effects. Okay. And one more thing I want to tell you all is, see, some people are facing the problem of importing shapes from Photoshop to After Effects. Okay. So my advice to the all of you is, please try to install the same version of Photoshop. Okay, so that you will not face any problems. Means for example, if you are having 2020 version of After Effects, 2021 version of After Effects, try to install a 2021 version of Photoshop. Able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then you will not face any problems. That is what I am telling you. Okay, so just to recap what we have done. See, I will just open it just once. So what we have done, So we have actually we have created what? We have created a path. So how to extract the path? Tell me. Anybody can tell?
Remove the background, then go to work path,
Yeah.
create path.
So we have to
From selection.
create a path. Okay. So where is the path? So just select the path, and so I have to get a selection, and then we will convert the selection to what? Path, and then we will copy this. Okay. And then what do you have to do? So we can actually we have to create. We can create one solid layer, and then we can paste. Okay, is it clear, all of you? And then what else we can do? Okay, actually we have not pasted it as a shape. Okay, we have pasted it as a solid object. So if you want to paste it as a shape, what you have to do? Or is everyone listening? Is everyone listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here, right click new, shape layer. See, right click new, shape layer. So now there is a shape layer here. Okay, so then what is the next thing we have to do? When there is shape layer, so we have to now import it. See, paste. So did we get that? Okay. So we'll just click on the pen tool. Okay, now we got it. See, are you able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
See, now we got the shape. See, and then now we can apply a stroke to this. How? Effect. See, what I did. I will just tell you it. See, I have created a shape layer. Okay, I have created a shape layer. I have selected the pen tool. I have clicked here, and then I have just pasted it. Able to understand, everyone? See, now you got the stroke, and then now you got the outline. Able to understand, everyone? See, you can actually turn off the fill. So now you can only see the stroke. See here. You can only see the stroke now. And then what else we have done? Right click, effect, generate, there is generate, and then stroke. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
See, you can increase the this one. System is getting stuck here. 1 minute. So just a minute, it is actually stucking here, getting stuck. So it's 1 minute. So you can also do one thing. See, if you after clicking on this one, see, if you open it, so you can see the paths. Can you see the path, everybody? Huh?
Yes, sir.
After collapsing, and then you can just open it like this. Okay. Okay. So like this. Right. And then what else we can do? So it should generate outlines here. Okay. Okay. Some problem we got actually in the system. 1 minute. Right. Okay, so here we will apply a effect to this. So where is generate? Okay. Okay, just a minute. Okay, just a minute. See, even I am facing the problem of the shape is not importing to the After Effects, so just kindly bear with me. This option, last class we got this, right? Okay, last class I showed you with that India map. Remember everyone? All of you?
Yes, sir.
So some problem even I am facing this because it is not taking the shapes, but don't worry. So this will be resolved. Okay, just some shapes it is not taking action. Okay, let me close the After Effects and open again. Okay, just bear with me for some some minutes. Actually, you don't even have to take the see, let me tell you, you don't even have to take the shape layer here. Okay, automatically that path is going to appear. Okay, understand what I am saying? Automatically this path is going to appear in our document. Are you getting my point? So you don't even have to take this. We'll actually Okay, so what else we can do now? So we have to. Is everybody listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So then effect generate. So where is generate store? It's not taking. Okay. Now it's going to come. Okay. So now it's going to come. See here. Okay, is it clear all of you? See. See here. Is it clear all of you? See, now I am going to animate it. So how to animate? Just click on the end point. Just go to the 4 seconds. Okay. So is it clear all of you? So did you get it? What happened? Everybody is silent. Vishwanath.
Sir.
ఏమైందమ్మా ఏం మాట్లాడతలేరు మీరు రైట్ ఓకే సో దెన్ what else we can do? Just right click effect generate and we can use light burst. See, why I am telling you this is because some of you have missed the class. Understand? Some of you have missed the class, so that is why I am trying to tell this. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So some of you have missed the class, so that is why I am telling you. Okay? I think Tejaswini has missed, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so understand this. So we have taken a solid and then we have copied the shape from Photoshop and then pasted it. Okay, no? And in case you want some glow also, so you can actually apply a glow. See? Can you see the change? See, now it is having a better glow. Okay, you can actually animate the ray length here. So how we can animate the ray length? See, so here ray length is there. Let me animate the value. Okay, just we will increase it. So we will decrease it and then we will increase it again. Okay, and then again we will decrease. We will make it 0 here. And then again we will increase it. Then again we will decrease it. Is it clear all of you? See.
Yes, sir.
See. Okay. And then again here we will come here and then we will increase the ray length. Okay, see, and then again I will come here and then make it 0. So now see. So I will actually show you the full thing. See. See? Right? Okay, and then you can make it more interesting by applying the Vegas effect here. Just type Vegas and just drag it. And here we can increase the Vegas. Reduce the segments to 4. Okay, and then we will increase the length here. Which color we'll put? So you can see some mild yellowish color is applying. Okay. So it is a little bit heavy here. Okay. Okay. So okay. Right. So okay. Let me. I think you got what we were trying to do in the last class. Okay. So what we have done in the last class, I think it's clear to all of you, right? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So today I am going to start you one interesting topic again, one new one. So this is. So I will tell you about something called a puppet tool. Okay. So what is a puppet tool? Okay. So we'll select this one. So we'll drag it in this composition. Okay. Okay. I think it is again it is not coming with transparency. Okay. Let me go to the Photoshop again. Let me open the spider. So let us rotate this. So how to rotate it 90 degrees? Anybody can tell? Okay, let me save this. Okay, I am going to save it as a PSD file only directly. Let us see whether PSD file is going to take transparency. Okay. So let me import this. Okay. So let's keep it in our this one. Okay. See here. See, I have imported this file. Okay. Everybody is able to are you able to listen? Are you listening? Huh?
Yes, sir.
See here, we have an option here. See, puppet position pen tool. Okay, puppet position pin tool. Okay, so see, we can actually make the spider crawl. Okay, make the spider crawl. We can make it small, little bit small. Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, see, I will just click on this. So you can actually create points. See, can you all see the points? So I am placing the points on this spider. Able to understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
So only Tejaswini is talking. What about others? What happened to Bharat? Vishwanath? Nobody seems to be talking. See here. all of you just see here. Here we have something called mesh. Okay, so you can actually increase the size of the mesh, density of the mesh. Okay, or you can reduce the density of the mesh. Okay, what will happen is, see, in 3D softwares we will be having more lines. Okay, more lines for any object. So if you want more lines, see, there will be more precise movement. There will be more deformity or more movement if the density is more. If the density is less, only some places will be moving. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
See, so I'm creating points here, and let's keep it to 9 maximum points. So it will be movement will be more flexible. Okay, see here. Can you see the change? See.
Yes, sir.
See, now it's moving. So now we will try to do some animation. Okay, do some animation here. So let me actually see. So you can see already all there are keys. See, already all keys are having the stopwatch. Okay, able to understand everyone?
Sir.
Okay, now see, let me animate it. Okay, let me go to so let me go to 1 second only. Okay, I will go to 1 second and see here, see how I am animating and bringing them inside. Okay, and then I am bringing these two things outside. Okay, okay, and then again I will bring these things inside little bit. Right, and then again I will bring these things inside. Able to understand?
Yes, sir.
See, now just you see here, see, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
So it is animating now, see. Now again we will go to the second. Okay, just put type here 2 seconds, and then again I will animate it outside, like, okay, like this. Okay, and these things, so they have gone outside, right? And this time they should, these points should go inside. Getting my point? So these points should go inside little bit. Okay, and what about these points? They have gone back, right? Okay, these points should go again. Okay, so these points should go a little bit backside. Okay, so just see here. Okay, then again these points which are going inside, these should go outside. Okay, getting my point? See, they are coming inside now, and from 2 seconds, 2-second mark, these points should go outside. Able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So something like this. See. And last and just we'll animate till 4 seconds. Okay. So just again, what do you have to do? So we'll see the animation here. See here. Okay. So this is till second. So and again we'll go to the 3rd second. Okay. So 3rd second, again what you have to do? These things should be little bit inside. Nitin, are you able to understand? Tejaswini?
Yes, sir.
And again these points. Okay, and again these points should be back side. Okay. So something like this. And again these points should be little bit inside. Okay. And these points are actually going outside, right? And from 3rd second, these points should be inside. Okay, are you getting my point? Right. Last and final. We will animate the 4th second. Okay. So 4th second. Tell me what I have to do. So again we'll keep it back side. And again these things should be what? Inside, huh? Okay. And then again this should be what? Back side, huh? And this should be away. Okay, now we'll see the overall animation here. Okay. Okay, see here. So now this spider is, see, now this spider is moving. See, actually we have created this animation. Okay, so we can actually select these keyframes. We can actually make them closer also if you want. Okay, you can do that. See, you can put them closer also if you want. Okay, see, like this. So that is your wish, but you have to do it. You have to actually select so many frames, but we will keep it like this only. In case if you want to animate, you can animate. Okay, if you want to move them closer, you can move them closer, because 1 second, if you think it is very slow, you can make it, you can put them closer, means half a second you can put. Able to understand, everyone? Okay, so but what you will do is, I am going to animate the position here. Okay, I will be animating the position now. Able to understand? Select the selection tool. Just you will keep it here. Okay, stopwatch and go to the 4th second mark, and then just keep it like this. Okay, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
See here. Okay, see, we can keep it somewhere 6th second. Okay, So let us see now. See, so now it is moving here. Okay, or you can keep it a little bit less. See, now the spider is moving. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So this is called puppet tool. Puppet tool. See. So I will tell you one more example with puppet tool. Okay, so hand waving. Okay. Hand waving politician. We'll type politician. Okay. See here. So which one is nice? Is nice, huh? He is nice. Okay. Somebody. Okay, Obama. This one is nice. Okay. So we'll just save this. It's a PNG. Okay. So let us see. I think we'll first open it in Photoshop and see whether it is a PNG or not. Okay. I think this is not a PNG. Huh?
It's a fake PNG, sir.
Huh?
Fake PNG actually. Just background.
Okay, let me select the image here. Okay, let me cut it. Control Shift V. Let's delete this. Okay, so let me save this. Okay, let me save it on desktop as a PSD only. Okay, Obama. I'll keep Obama only. Okay, so then we will bring it to the After Effects. So is it clear, all of you, this spider one?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so let me now open Obama. So where is Obama? Okay, so let's drag it. So let us save this, scale this. Okay, so now let us apply the puppet pin tool to this. Okay, so here is the puppet tool. Okay, so what we'll do now, just we will try to put see here, we'll put it over here. We'll put 4 pins here. Okay, so for the supporting we will also keep some pins over here. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Able to understand, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so now see, you can actually turn off this one, what, mesh. Okay, so because we want only only to see these pins, right? So now what we'll do is, see, we will actually try to go to the 20, go to the 42nd. Okay, no, 40 is too much actually. We'll go to the 24th second only. Okay, 24th second, and then already there is a key. There are keys created for these points. Okay, able to understand, everyone? Able to understand, everyone? See here.
Sir.
See, try to make it look realistic. Okay. See here. See here. So actually his hand is stretching a little bit, right? So we'll do one thing. Let us delete the keyframes, okay? So we can actually see here we can create a keyframe for everything, and just we can see. Able to understand everyone? See here. I'm just moving it like this. Okay, so let us see now. See? Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
See, he is now waving his hand. Tata, bye bye. Your class is over now. Okay. Okay. Don't think seriously. I'm just saying it as a joke.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, you are able to. He is able to wave his hands, and see, you can also make his head wave. So how we can do that? So just come here. See here. Just come to this point. Is it clear, all of you? Bharat, are you able to understand? Bharat and Vishwanath.
Yes, sir.
So you have to show me assignment next class. Puppet tool.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so his head is shaking. His head shake is not so realistic. Hand shake is good. So let me actually delete the keyframes. Okay.
Head shakes should be slight.
Should be slight, right? Very
Yes, sir.
mild head shake, right? So let me make it mild, okay? Okay, let us see now. Okay, now this head is rotating very
Yes,
slowly.
sir.
Okay. Okay, like this. And then you can actually try to change his elbows also. See, his elbow. I think our elbow movement will not be that much, right?
Yes, sir. Slight.
Very slight. So something like this. Let us see. Okay, elbow movement is also not so realistic. I'll delete the elbow movements. So I'll delete it. Okay, is it clear? Say actually we are now working in low quality. So if you want to check in high quality, see, you can keep it full. Now see now Obama is waving. Able to understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
And we can do one thing. See here, he is stopping at this frames, right? See, he is stopping at where? See here. So what he'll do is, see, we can copy paste these things. Okay. So we can copy. So we can actually copy and then come here, paste. Able to understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
So we can paste so that his hand movements will continue for some more seconds. Okay. Copy and paste keyframes. See here. Now we will play this. See here. Able to understand everyone?
Sir.
So this is the puppet tool, and actually his hand is stretching a little bit. Okay, so you can actually rectify that. But just I want to give you an idea actually. Okay. In case you think that animation is not so natural, I will tell you one more method here. Okay, so we'll actually remove the keyframes. I think till here we will remove the keyframes. Okay, so then what I'll do, see, we can actually, I'm going to cut this one. I'm going to cut this layer. How to cut the layer? Tell me. Vishwanath, tell me how to cut the layer. Vishwanath, Bharat.
Time.
Huh? How we can cut the layer? Bharat, Prashant, tell me how we can cut the layer. Tejaswini, can you tell how to cut the layer?
Alt plus right square bracket.
Alt plus right square bracket. Okay. So see, now we have cut the layer. See, duplicate the layer. What is the shortcut for duplicating layer? Anybody can tell? What?
Control D.
Yeah, Control D. Okay. So Control D. And then what I will do is, see, I will just take this one. We'll go to the end point. So how to go to the end point? Anybody can tell? How we can go to the end point?
Oh.
Huh? O. O is the end point, and then we will just say left square bracket. See. Okay. So like this, the hand is now not stretching. Able to understand everyone? Huh?
Yes, sir.
See, again, you can actually see, you can do one thing actually. So again we will take one more. Again, what we'll do, we will take one more copy of this. So we can take one more copy. Anybody can tell? If I want to take one more copy, Control D again, and then again we will just use we'll just use this left square bracket. Okay, Control D again. We will just use left square bracket. Okay. Okay, then I will go I, and then we will say left square bracket. Is it clear? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. See this. Okay, again you can say Control D, and then again we will use left square bracket. So now we got till how many? 9 seconds. So we'll just take one more thing, and then we will just say this one. So is it clear? See, now he is continuously waving. Even his head is moving. Okay? Able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what we'll do is, see, we will get one crowd and see, I want this Obama to wave at crowds. Able to understand? Means say one politician is standing on a stage and waving to the crowds. You all have seen that, right? So in the same way, this Obama should be waving at crowds. Able to understand, everyone? Okay. So what we can do now? So I want to go to the last frame. Click O here. Okay. And then I want to finish off the animation till this time indicator. So what I have to do? Anybody can tell?
What, sir?
I want to finalize the animation till the current time indicator.
N.
N. Okay. And then we will click on the trim comp to work area. Okay. Now I am going to export this. See, we will export it in PNG sequence. Able to understand, everyone? We will be exporting it in PNG sequence. So how we can do that? See here. We'll just go to the add to render queue. Okay. And then what we'll do? We'll select the PNG sequence, and most important thing is we have to select what? RGB plus alpha. Able to understand, everyone? Okay, and then we will create a folder. See, always remember, when you are rendering in sequence, always you have to create a folder. Don't try to directly render it. Okay, this is a sequence. This is an image sequence, and this is not a AVI file or MOV file. Are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So there is a difference between MOV, AVI and image sequence. So I will create an image sequence here, and then we'll say Obama waving. Okay, Obama waving, and then we'll just go inside, and then what we'll do? We'll just say Obama. Okay, Obama waving. Okay, and then what we'll say? We'll say save. And now I am going to render this. Able to understand, everyone? So we are going to get a lot of files. Just click on that render here. See, it is rendering. Can you see? Are you all able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, it's taking time. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Okay, so now what you'll do is, see, I am going to delete everything. Okay, let me import the file. So I think we have rendered in this E drive. See, this is the Obama files. So we all got, how many files we got? So you can check how many files we got. See, we got 340 files we got. Huh? Able to understand, everyone? So this is the image sequence. Okay. Where somebody has turned off the mic. Okay. See, I have imported the image sequence. Now we will get one crowd image. Okay, we will say American crowds. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Tejaswini, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will select this. Okay, I think we'll select a large size one. Okay. If you want, you can select our Indian crowds also, no problem. Okay. So which one is nice? Okay. So this looks nice. Okay. So I am going to just say crowds. Okay. So I have selected this JPG image. Now we will come back to the After Effects. We'll double click. We'll select the crowds. Where is the crowds? Yeah, here. Okay. See here. And then see, we can actually then we will just drag the Obama here. See here. And then we will scale him. See, we will just space bar. See here. We can even see, we can even get the visual sounds here. Okay, actually here we can also play the sound. And see, if you want to a little bit blur out the crowds, so what you can do? See, always render in PNG. If you don't render in PNG, what will happen? Tell me what will happen if you don't render in PNG? Anybody can tell?
It won't be transparent.
Okay, Vishwanath,
Sir.
PNG లో చేయకపోతే రెండర్ ఏమైతుంది మనకు? If I render in JPG, what will happen? You are not able to understand what I am asking question?
File size will be increased, sir. More.
File size. See, you will not see the transparency here. Okay, so what we'll do is, see, I am going to apply one blur effect to the crowds. See here, just we'll say blur. Okay, so you can see a lot of blur effects here. You know blur effect, right? In Photoshop. See, just I am going to apply the blur here. See. So and then you can increase the. So you don't have to animate the blur. So you can simply increase the blurriness. Can you see the effect? See? See here. See here. See, now is crowd is there. Is it clear?
Sir.
Okay. You can see, if you want that visual sounds. Let us try visual sound. Okay. because there is no audio here. Let me actually go to the where. Let me go to YouTube. Crowd cheering sounds. Crowd cheering sound effect. Okay. Everybody is able to see my screen. So here advertisements coming.
Yes, sir.
See. So actually we'll take only 4 minutes one. Okay. So here in YouTube we will only take. I think we'll take below 4 minutes. Okay. See here. Applause. I want this sound in After Effects. Able to understand everyone? How we can get this sound in After Effects? So see, I am going to first download the sound. Okay, then enter here. See, just I am going to download it. Okay. See, now this sound is downloaded. Let me keep it on desktop. Okay. Okay. Let us get that sound in After Effects. Okay. Where is that sound? Where is that sound here? We did not paste it. Yeah, here. Okay. Okay. Able to understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to hear the sound? Are you able to hear the sound?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want to render this. Okay. How to render this? So this time we will render it in MOV. Okay. We are going to render it in MOV format. So how? Composition. Okay. Again we will click on this render queue. This time we will render it on MOV. So what should I do now? QuickTime. Okay, I will select the QuickTime, and here audio is also there. See, we need to get the audio also. Okay, right now audio is there, and then what else we'll do? We'll just go to the desktop. We'll say Obama waving. Okay, just select this, and then we'll just render it. So it will take time little bit. Okay. Okay, is it clear? I think it will wait a minute. Let me actually open it in VLC player. See, you can also listen to the sound. Able to understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will give you one assignment. Okay, so that what is that assignment? See, you have to create a political rally of BJP leaders. Okay, using puppet tool. Okay, are you able to understand? Huh? What happened here? Everybody is you do not have your lunch or what? Everybody is so dull and what is it?
Only 3 members is there, sir.
Huh? What?
Only 3 members is there, sir.
Okay, right. So see, first we will download some interesting images from YouTube. Okay, so let me. So I'm going to download one blue screen reporter. Okay. Okay, or you can say let us see whether we can get that one. Or we can say blue mat, blue screen VFX. So let me check this.
The most flexible thing you've ever seen, with zero footprint and the ability to support
What would you say is the edge ring?
Okay, I think here we are not able to get. Let's say okay, or we can say blue screen speech.
Much more and much color on your
We are
subject.
not able to find that exact footages. Okay, we'll check it. Okay, just a minute. Okay, I think this one is nice, huh?
Won't get this is gonna end up using more light. But again, the kind of the rule of thumb is that the cool, nice soft light is from the will allow you to control the
But she's not talking here.
brightness of the light really nice.
Just type reporter.
In the wrong, making for a rabbit your states.
Still we are not able to get.
In the
Okay.
weather room, the curse of
This video is sponsored all the time. This clip from this scene by.
Still okay. Just a minute. Because I used to have it in our institute actually. Okay, let us take this. Okay. Are you clear? Are you able to understand? See, I am going to download this one. Are you all able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I have downloaded this blue screen one. Okay, blue screen this. Well, let us open this in After Effects. So where is that? I think we have downloads. So I'm going to open it in. See here. Okay, so here what you'll do is, see, let me actually cut this one. Okay, so we will actually cut it from here. Cut it till here we'll cut. Okay, right? And then so what else we'll do? So we will actually scale this one. Okay, so we only want this person, and we can remove the green. Are you all able to understand?
Yes, sir.
And then we'll go to the endpoint O, and then we will hit N, and then we will just say trim comp to work area. So now to actually remove this, I'll keep it here. So actually to remove the blue, what you have to do? See, here we have an option, key light. See, I will tell you very easy step, key light. See. So here we have a key light option. Can you see the key light? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Just type key light here, and then I'm going to drag it and keep it on top of our this screen, this video, and then simply I'm going to pick the color. See how we can pick the color? Just simply take this one. Okay, take this eyedropper and then just click here. So it's very easy. See, it has almost removed the green. Okay, it has almost removed the green. I am just picking the screen color by clicking on the eyedropper, and you can just increase the screen gain here. See, the moment you increase the screen gain, see all the green behind this person is gone. Able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, with just one single click, just a very small and very fast and easy way. And now what we can do is, so we can actually put this person in some other background. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that is the thing we will be doing. See, what is the option? Everybody remember this, key light. Okay, key light. You have to type key light in this search box and you will get the key light. Just you have to pick the color, which color you are trying to remove, and automatically that particular color is gone. Okay, now what I am going to do is, see, I am going to create a newsroom. Everybody knows newsroom, right? Okay, everybody knows the newsroom.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am going to create a newsroom behind this reporter. So let me create a newsroom. See here. Just type newsroom background. Okay. See here. This is a newsroom background. Okay, we'll take this. Okay. And then we can also take this one if you want. Okay. Just say, Tejaswini, are you able to understand? Tejaswini. Tejaswini, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So just see here. Can you all see? See that?
Yes, sir.
So we have created a newsroom now. See how fast we have done these things. Just understand this. Then we can also do one thing. We can put a caption here. Okay, I want something caption over here. Okay. So what you can do actually? Something like a BBC, BBC or what do you say? MBC TV, like that. See, you can either do that in Photoshop and bring, or if you want some animated thing, you can create that animations. So let me actually keep it here. Okay, or MBC TV. Okay. Let me reduce it. Are you able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See here. Okay, and we can give some simple animation to this. Okay, simple animation means, see, you can actually rotate it on rotate it a little bit by turning on this 3D option. I think I told you about this, right? All of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you can slightly make it a Y rotation. See. So that it looks exactly on the TV, and then we can actually right click and we can apply one effect. See, if you want a gradient, what you have to do? We can apply this gradient overlay. See, I have applied a gradient overlay, and then you can give some gradient here. You can say edit gradient. So see here. Okay, and we can also give other things like layer style, and we can give some stroke. And for stroke we will what do you give? See, for stroke you will give white stroke. Okay, is it clear, all of you? See, right? See here. And you can give some this one, you know, light burst, right? I think I told you that light burst effect. Everybody remember CC light burst? See, actually 1 minute, let me delete this. We'll remove the stroke actually. So let me delete this. Okay, so how to apply effect, generate a light burst, or you can apply all other things also. Center, keep it center. Okay, we can create a 1 second animation. Okay, so we can actually create a keyframe for this rail line, and then make it 0 here, and then we can increase it a little bit, and then we can make it 0 again. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have given some small simple animation, but if you think it's not so interesting, so we can give some more thing. See, let us give, because it has a 3D now, we'll try to give that 3D only. Okay, so let us try to animate this Y rotation. Okay,
Sir, the font color is blending with the TV background.
okay, we'll change the font color then. Okay, so let us see. Okay, see something like this. Okay, see. Okay, if you think the font color is not good, so what you'll do now? So we'll change this one. Which color we'll put? So bluish color we'll put on. Okay. Okay. Are you all able to understand? Vishwanath, Tejaswini?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See here, this is actually a key light. So one problem we are facing is, see here we can see some transparency here. Okay, we can actually reduce the gain or screen balance also. See, so we can increase or decrease the screen balance to reduce it. Okay, and also I am going to tell you about these values in detail in the next class. Okay, so just now you have to understand means how to easily remove the just blue and green screen. Okay, and one more thing I want to ask you. See, do you have any blue and green cloths in your houses, or normal cloth?
No, sir.
No, na. Okay. You can do one thing. You can take you can create an image of yourself. Okay. You can actually make yourself as a reporter. Okay. You can talk to you can record yourself as a reporter by standing in front of some that background. Okay, some plain background. Okay, and then you can import that video and you can remove that background in After Effects. Are you able to understand what I am saying? You can stand in front of a plain background, not a background that has so many colors. Whatever color you take, it is not necessary that this will remove only green and blue colors. You can use any color. Okay, even it will remove, but let us say if there is some blue or green on your face, okay, or there is some white color on your face and the background is also white, so even your face area becomes transparent. Are you getting my point? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Your second assignment I am telling you. What is your first assignment?
Waving
Political
puppet.
rally.
Political rally. Second, using puppet tool. Second is create a newsroom. Okay. See, you have to create something like a India TV. Okay, India TV newsroom. Okay, Indian TV newsroom with a journalist. Okay, you have to. This is your second assignment. India TV newsroom with journalist, and you can also create that nice logo also. Okay, that is all. That's all your creativity. Okay, you have to create a newsroom. Vishwanath, clear? Huh? Tejaswini,
Yes, sir.
clear? Huh? So I want all of you to submit this assignment by next class. Newsroom, and then another one is what? That BJP Rahi. Okay. Just I want to finish off by showing you the key light with other example. Okay. Let me actually take one more round. See, I have some images here. Okay. Let me actually, okay, 1 minute. Let us go to this YouTube actually. Here, see here, can you see this? Okay, I think this image is 8 minutes actually. Okay, so 8 minutes. So what I'll do, okay, we'll try to download it. It's a big one actually. It's a big file. So we can actually keep these animals in a jungle. Okay. So how to keep the animal on a jungle? So I think downloaded. This file is downloaded. Okay. Let me create a composition. So let us see where is that lion. Okay, so this is a lion, huh? Okay, so I will cut this one. Okay, this is nice. I will cut from here. One minute. Okay, okay, so just go here. Okay, and then we will go to the last frame and N. Okay, and then we will trim comp to okay. Okay, see here. Okay, then what I'll do now? Okay, what I'll do now? So we can keep it in a forest. So let me import it a file. So I think we already have the forest images. Just here. Okay, just bring it here, and we will select the what? Key light. Okay, now tell me what you have to do. Tejaswini, can you tell? Tejaswini and Vishwanath, can you tell?
Screen color.
Yeah, screen color. Pick the screen color. Okay, see, we are able to remove the screen color now. So we'll actually scale it down. So here actually we have to keep it here. Okay. And then we have to position this P, and then let me keep it. Okay, let us see. Okay, it is going little fast. Okay. Are you able to understand, everyone? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So we can actually create some more. We can actually create some more lines. See, 2 more lines, and we can create 3 more lines. Okay. See here, just to duplicate. Actually means we can do the animation in the end. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes.
So just with one line I have created 3 lines. So I want you all to complete the 2 assignments, and everybody has to show me by next class. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now you can